SAFEMOON is one of the newest and fastest growing altcoins in 2021. It launched in March 2021 and more than 2.5 million investors have bought it. However, the crypto is still at a fraction of a cent. What is SAFEMOON'S price prediction for 2025 and when will it reach $1? Welcome to Savvy Investors. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more SAFEMOON videos. Big thanks to all our viewers. Since its debut, some people have wondered whether SAFEMOON crypto is a good investment. The interest in SAFEMOON's price prospects has soared after El Salvador's president announced plans to make Bitcoin a legal tender, which signals government's opening acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Before delving into SAFEMOON's price predictions, it helps to be familiar with the altcoin. SAFEMOON is a DeFi project based on the BINANCE blockchain. The project is led by a team that includes former Pentagon analyst John KARONY. SAFEMOON seeks to encourage long-term investment rather than day trading bets. Therefore, a sale of SAFEMOON coin attracts a 10% transaction fee. Half of the fee is distributed to the holding community, similar to a company distributing a portion of its profit to shareholders as a dividend. The other half is reinvested in the project. In addition to generating passive earnings for holders, the sale transaction fee is also meant to ensure the stability of SAFEMOON's price. Price volatility is a major reason many people remain wary of cryptocurrency investing. SAFEMOON hopes to avoid that by discouraging sales. Usually, coin dumps by large investors cause sharp price declines. SAFEMOON carries out token burns, which are designed to reduce the coin supply. The thinking is that less supply amid increasing demand would lift the price. Binance also regularly takes some Binance coin tokens from circulation through BNB burns. SAFEMOON's price has climbed about 350,000% in 2021 to trade at $0.00000038 currently, at the time of writing the script for this video. The altcoin's rise can be attributed to several factors. Inspired by Bitcoin's blockbuster returns, investors are rushing to find the next big crypto idea. SAFEMOON's dividend-type distributions, the promise of price stability, and low value have made it a popular pick among investors pursuing the next Bitcoin. Also, SAFEMOON's ambitious plans have been a major draw. SAFEMOON creators have detailed growth plans that promise to increase the crypto's exposure to investors and potentially raise its price. For example, the team is ramping up marketing efforts and plans to open UK and African-based offices. A SAFEMOON app is coming and so is a wallet. The team is working on a SAFEMOON exchange even though it seeks to get the crypto listed on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. There are plans to launch SAFEMOON video games. However, it isn't clear whether the game will be similar to Lightbringer, which has helped popularize LITECOIN. SAFEMOON price prediction for 2025. Investors want to know whether SAFEMOON will keep rising. According to Wallet Investor, the altcoin's price will reach $0.000036 a year from now, which implies a 780% upside potential to the current price. Wallet Investor expects SAFEMOON's price to hit 0.00016 cent in 5 years, which suggests a 3,800% upside. At Digital Coin Price, the forecast points to SAFEMOON's price rising 46% from the current level and closing 2021 at 0.000059 cent. Digital Coin Price expects the altcoin to keep rising in the coming years to reach 0.000014 cent in 2025, which implies a 250% upside. SAFEMOON fans want to see it hit $1. The altcoin reaching $1 would make many investors millionaires. At the current price of 0.000038 cent, the crypto would need to gain 24 million% to reach $1. SAFEMOON has rated average monthly gains of about 120,000 since its debut. If it maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if the altcoin gains 100% monthly, it would need 2 years to hit that price milestone, which points to 2023. SAFEMOON hasn't landed on Coinbase. You still can't access SAFEMOON on major crypto exchanges like Binance and Huobi or through brokers Robinhood and eToro. The best places to buy SAFEMOON now are PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, Whitebit, and Bitmart. Since you can't buy SAFEMOON with fiat money on these platforms, you will need to use an intermediary cryptocurrency. For example, If you have BNB token, you can exchange it for SAFEMOON on these platforms. Let's compare SAFEMOON to Dogecoin. Dogecoin debuted in 2013, while SAFEMOON launched in March 2021. While Dogecoin started as an internet joke, SAFEMOON has styled itself as a serious DeFi project from the beginning. At 37 cents per token, Dogecoin carries a market value of $48 billion. Meanwhile, SAFEMOON'S 0.000041 cent price gives it a market value of $2.4 billion. There are 130 billion Doge coins in circulation and the supply is unlimited. In contrast, there are 585 billion SAFEMOON coins circulating and the supply is being reduced through coin burns. With lifetime returns of 350,000%, SAFEMOON has paid off well for early investors. It reached an all-time high of 0.00001399 cent in April but has since pulled back 70% from that peak, which opens a bargain entry point. If SAFEMOON'S development plans like launching a SAFEMOON exchange and video game projects pan out, it could draw more investors and the price could rise. Listing on major exchanges like Coinbase could also provide lift for the altcoin. However, there isn't an investment without risk. SAFEMOON requires a cautious approach since it's a new crypto. But at Savvy Investors, we believe that SAFEMOON will definitely go to the moon sooner or later. If you enjoyed this video or you are a SAFEMOON investor, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so as not to miss future videos on SAFEMOON. Till our next video, please stay savvy.